Every time you access a Python object's attribute, myObject, value, you might be unknowingly triggering a descriptor. These are not just abstract concepts. They are the silent architects of Python's object model. Descriptors are simply objects implementing a special protocol, defining any of get, set, or delete. Think of them as tiny gatekeepers, intercepting attribute access on their owner class. When you try to retrieve obj, attr Python's getAttribute method checks if attr is a descriptor on the class of obj. If it is, Python hands control to that descriptor. It determines what obj attr returns, or what happens when you assign to it. This is why a property decorator works. It's a descriptor under the hood. Methods, too, they are non-data descriptors, binding to the instance when accessed. Consider validating a specific attribute, say an email address. Instead of writing Eiffels checks in every setter or a convoluted property, you can define a reusable email descriptor class. Its set method handles the validation centrally. Attach it to your model class, and suddenly Muser, email invalid raises an error, cleanly consistently. This offers a distinct advantage over simply overriding setAttr on the class, which can become a monolithic hard-to-maintain method. Descriptors encapsulate specific attribute logic, making your code modular. They are far more explicit than relying on dynamic attribute creation with getAttr or setAttr for every single field. The true significance lies in how core frameworks exploit this. Django's ORM model fields, char field, integer field, are all descriptors. When you access myModel, name array not just getting a string. Array potentially triggering database queries, type conversions, and validation, all orchestrated by a descriptor. This abstraction allows simple attribute access to represent complex behaviors, turning models into powerful interfaces. Mastering descriptors isn't about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding the language's foundational attribute lookup mechanism. It reframes how you perceive classes, instances, and even functions, empowering you to build not just working code, but truly Pythonic, elegant, and extensible systems.